We're asking that everybody update their profile picture on the website for consistency reasons when people are looking through our directory. So let's go through how to do that. First off, you need to log in to your account. And remember, if you can never remember your account password, just get a hold of me and I'll send it to you. And we're going to get logged in and we're going to see our editing toolbar up here. In order to change your profile picture, you're actually not editing any of the pages. You're going to go over to Account Settings and then select User Photo. Now you can see I've already got one here. If you do, we want to update it, or if you don't have one, we want to add it. So in the email I sent you, you've got a link to a folder, and the folder is going to look something like this. You're going to open it up, scroll down until you find your picture, and then go ahead and download it. Once it's done downloading, we can simply choose File, go to our downloads. It's going to be the top one. Click Open, and then Upload. So now I've got my new picture in. When people go to the directory to search for me, they're going to see an updated photo. If you need any help or assistance, just let me know.